2019 Acura RDX, what's new? Acura is restoring the RDX to its turbocharged, super taking care of roots and gifting it a buff, attractive new body and a great inside with an all-new infotainment framework controlled by a touchpad. A turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 motor mates to another 10-speed programmed transmission. While the active RDX's V6 delivered more power, 279 horses, it made less torque, 252 pounds-to-foot, and had just 6 forward riggings to work with. We envision the new RDX will helpfully accelerate its ancestor, which rushed to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds. The enormous contrast with Acura's framework is that the cushion controls the infotainment screen with a one-to-one relationship, which means finger taps in, for instance, the upper left corner of the cushion promptly controls in the upper left corner of the show. Furthermore, the screen isn't a touchscreen unit, so this is the best way to futz with it. Each 2019 RDX will have an all-encompassing sunroof as standard, alongside the Acura Watch bunch of driver help tech. On the Ebb and Flow RDX, this incorporates mechanized crisis braking, versatile voyage control, and path-keeping help. Purchasers additionally will be offered blind side checking, a 360-degree C camera, a locally available Wi-Fi hotspot with a 4G LTE information association, and front and back stopping sensors. For Acura's purpose, we should trust the smooth model as demonstrative not simply of its most recent minimized extravagance hybrid but rather its new course.